From Brian's Blues Kitchen, hello everybody and welcome. Today's topic, chicken, how to cook chicken. Now you can boil it, steam it, grill it, or cook it on your stovetop. Here are some nutritional facts. Chicken contains the most protein by weight. If you want to lose weight, maintain muscle mass, or improve recovery, chicken breast is the way to go. Now that means that approximately 80% of the calories in the chicken breast come from protein and 20% comes from the fat with no added ingredients. So join me in my kitchen and let's get cooking. A very important tip: to obtain the juiciest chicken breast, remove chicken from the heat in between 160 to 162 degrees Fahrenheit. Set aside and let it rest for about 5 to 7 minutes. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this recipe, subscribe, like, and hit the bell for upcoming videos. And remember, health is everything. So stay active, eat healthy, and I'll see you next time.